Hello friends, welcome to our latest YouTube video where we explore the fantastic world of office cabin designs. Whether you are a professional designer, a business owner, or simply someone looking to spur up their workspace, this video is packed with inspiration and practical tips. In this video, we will take you on a visual journey through various office cabin designs from sleek and modern to cozy and rustic. You will discover innovative layout ideas, furniture choices, color schemes, and decor that can transform your office cabin into a place of productivity and creativity. Our expert host will share insight on how to optimize space, create a harmonious ambience, and incorporate elements that boost your well being while working. So, join us as we dive into the beautiful collection of office cabin designs, sharing real world examples and case studies to inspire you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tips and stay updated with the latest trends in office cabin designs. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.